This is a review of the pop-up outlet kitchen countertop that's 15-watt wireless, 4 chargers, 2 USB-C ports, and it's a 3.35 inches, 65 millimeters the size specs. It's for your kitchen countertop, your office, conference table, so you can pretty much use this for your kitchen, your conference room, or pretty much like on a table you can use that. And the way how you install this is that you have to pretty much use a Dremel to make a circle around it, and a Dremel tool that you have to use, or a saw where you pretty much have to measure and cut it to however the size spec is. But if you don't know how to do that, I would definitely recommend a professional installer to install it for you. But nonetheless, the product itself that I'm here to talk about is really high quality. And you can see here that the MagSafe charge is right over here, so you use your iPhone to charge it up. And then right here, like I mentioned to you guys before, it comes with 4 outlets, where electric outlets that you charge. And if you're wondering where are those outlets, is right over here. So when I press this button, like you just it's like a click. So when you click this, it just pops up like that. And we have 4 outlets, and then you can see 2 USB-C adapters where you pretty much charge it up. And this product is really cool because it improvises. For example, if you're putting in your kitchen, it makes it really cool because of how you have a MagSafe charger on your countertop, and then you have 4 outlets underneath that, which when you install this, you're not going to find out how it's like. It's going to look very different. Like you're not going to see all the wires or this, so you're just going to, at the most, you're just going to see this thing right over here, but you're not going to see this or that once it's installed. The wire underneath goes on the bottom of your countertop in your kitchen, so you're not going to see that wire. But nonetheless, the product itself is high quality. 4 electric outlets that it has, and then 2 USB ports. It offers a lot of stuff, and if you're looking to improvise your kitchen and you want to make it modern, then I believe this product is something I would definitely recommend, since it comes with the MagSafe charger on top. So if your battery's going low for your iPhone, you're around the kitchen cooking food or something like that, use that to charge it up. If you have more additional products in your kitchen, your countertop, you can use that to charge it up right over here. Like it comes with those the chargers, 4 electric outlets that you can see right over there, so you can charge your phone or other accessories that you got. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this product. If you're looking to something to improvise your kitchen, then this is probably one of the best products that you could get.